Hi dresser cuties, waiting here. Today we're going to draw Usagi from Chiikawa. So let's get started. To draw this super cute rabbit, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to go across about this wide and draw another circle. So now I have my two circles in. Since they're big enough, I'm just going to make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come in between the eyes and say about right here, I'm just going to draw the nose and the mouth area. So right in the center, about right here, I'm just going to kind of draw this little blob for a little nose, and then I'm going to bring it down with a straight line in the center. I'm just kind of thickening up that line right here at the center, and then I'm going to curve out on both sides and cap it off. So same thing here. And cap it off. There. So everything's just kind of connected, so that's why it's just kind of more of a blob of a nose. So now that we have that, let's see here. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw this very important curve right underneath the mouth. So say about right here, we need to draw this curve. It's very distinct to Usagi, right here. Then from there we can come under the eyes, and about this same level as the mouth, we're going to come right about here and we're going to draw 4 lines at an angle for the cheeks. Just making the tops a little bit thicker. And then same thing on the other side. So right about here, on the other side. Let's see here, about right here. 2 and 4. And once again, just gonna thicken the top. Okay, so we have that in. Then we need to draw the brow. So right above, nice and high, I'm gonna come to the center of my eye and I'm gonna go up nice and high. So say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. So same thing on the other side. So I'll just use this as my guide on the other side and about right here in the center of that eye. And once again, just draw a curve coming down. There. Okay, so now we can go ahead and draw the ears and the head. So I'm going to find my center, go up straight up, and in the center area, let's go up a little bit more. About right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a small little line. This is top of the head. Then from there, we're going to draw the little rabbit ears. So I'll go up on this side, and we're just going to go up, and about right here, round it off, and bring it right back down. So same thing on the other side. Here, and round it off. And in. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw a big curve to go around for the head. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to go around nice and big, around everything. The eyes, the cheeks. I'm just going to draw this one big curve. And about right there. So same thing on the other side. Nice and brown. And about right here. back to the same level, so about right here. There, so I got that big head in. So now that we have that, let's see, it's pretty much even here and there. Bring this one in a little bit more. Then we can go ahead and draw the body. So for the little hands, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little curve. And same thing here. Draw a little curve. Oh, and then for the body, we're going to come about right here, and maybe the center of the hand, and we're just going to draw a curve coming in. And same thing here, curve coming in, and then for right here, draw a little foot. Just another little curve. Same thing here, and connect everything with a curve. There. Aww. And let's see here. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Usagi from Chiikawa. And then now that we're pretty much done with the drawing, I'm going to go ahead and color it really quickly with some basic markers and a color pencil. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw and color this cute little rabbit named Usagi from Chiikawa. Thanks so much for watching Draw So Cuties, and I really hope I helped you today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.